towards West Palm Beach, Boca Raton. Warm weather with near-record heat tomorrow.
Since 1976, the team at Sansone has been keeping the people of South Florida comfortable in their homes. Because for us, delivering the cool is just part of the job. We take pride in being the best in the business, because satisfying our customers is our #1 priority. In South Florida, the heat never stops, and neither do we. We have fine-tuned our process into a cool science, so battling the heat with Sansone on your side is a breeze. Every day our signature Sansone vans head out into South Florida to deliver the cool for our valued customers. And with our years of knowledge and technical ability, we make it look easy. So when the heat comes to your home, call Sansone to deliver the cool.